Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your cashback with Chase Freedom Unlimited, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To increase your cashback with Chase Freedom Unlimited, start by understanding the card's benefits. The Chase Freedom Unlimited offers 1.5% cashback on all purchases. Introduction of a promotional category can temporarily boost these earnings. Log into your Chase account on the website or mobile app. Navigate to the rewards section to view your current cashback rates. Look for any promotional offers that you can activate. Consider using your card for larger purchases to maximize cashback. Take advantage of the 5% cashback on rotating categories if you have that option. Keep an eye on the calendar for when those categories change. Combine your Chase Freedom Unlimited with other Chase cards for additional perks. Link your account to Chase Ultimate Rewards for more redemption options. Use your card for everyday expenses like groceries and gas. Pay on time to avoid interest and maximize your cashback. Review your spending habits and identify areas to use the card more frequently. Monitor your rewards regularly to ensure you are on track to maximize earnings. Consider setting reminders for bill payments to maintain good standing. Utilizing these strategies will ensure you get the most out of your Chase Freedom Unlimited card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.